You've ever thought about starting a tax prep business, but felt overwhelmed by all the IRS rules, the different software choices, and the marketing? Stick around because in this video, I'm going to show you the 5 exact steps you need to launch your own tax prep business, even if you're starting with zero experience. And at the end, I'm going to give you access to a free guide that makes this process even easier. Here's the truth. Every year, tax preparers earn thousands of dollars helping people with something they have to do anyway, file their taxes. But most people never take the leap because they don't know where to start, they're afraid of making mistakes with the IRS, or they think that it costs thousands to get trained and set up. Does that sound familiar to you? The good news is you do not need to spend months or thousands to get started. Let me walk you through the roadmap. Step one is going to be to get your preparer ID or your P10. It's very minimal fees, and the IRS only takes a few minutes to file and register online for this identification. Step two, learn the basics of tax prep. You don't need a degree, just very practical training. Right? Step three is going to be to set up your business, right? Simple LLC, EIN, and compliance. Step four is going to be to get your first client. Start with your family, your friends, and run a couple local ads. Step five is the most important. Build systems. Use software and automation to save time and look professional. That's why I created my trading programs and packages. If you're brand new and want a self-paced, affordable course to get certified and launched, the Solo Starter Package is perfect. If you want personal coaching and live support, the Guided Growth Package is the next step up. And if you want everything done for you, branding, website, funnels, social media kit, the Business Builder Package gives you the full system ready to go. Plus, for entrepreneurs who want to explode their brand presence, the Brand Booster Kit adds even more firepower. No matter where you are, there's an option to get you launched and earning quickly. So here's what to do. Click the link in the description to download your free guide, the 5 steps to launch a tax business. That will get you started right away. Once you're inside, you'll also see the details about the training and packages so you can pick the right fit for you. Don't wait for tax season to sneak up. Get set now and start building your business today.